If you haven't done so, please hit that subscribe button.
There's a little girl, just a swingin'.
Let's think about it here just for a second. Ain't nothing better than a country girl, I reckon. Been around the world and I've been checking. Better listen close to this redneckin'. Sitting on the front porch, do a little courting. Radio bumping, Johnny called Thornton. Little remixing, now it's banging. Come on everybody, let's do some swangin'.
There's a little girl in our neighborhood. Her name is Charlotte Johnson and she's really looking good. I had to go and see her, so I called her on the phone. I walked over to her house and this was going on. Her brother was on the sofa eating chocolate pie. Her mom was in the kitchen cutting chicken up to fry. Daddy was in the backyard rolling up a garden hose. I was on the porch with Charlotte, feeling love down to my toes, and we was swinging. Yeah, just a swinging. Little Charlotte, she's as pretty as the angels when they sing. I can't believe I'm out here on her front porch in the swing, just a swinging. There's a little girl. Now Charlotte, she's a darling, she's the apple of my eye. When I'm on the swing with her, she makes me almost high. Charlotte is my lover. She has been since
Thanks for watching. See you next dance.